Hey North Carolina, let me show you this quick rundown using the 317 method. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more strategies. We're going to start by entering the daytime draw from February 2nd, which was 941. We put that into the generator and generate the grid. The day sum for 941 is 4. The mirror of 4 is 9. These numbers are highlighted in yellow on the grid. Now, based on the day sum and its mirror, we find our plays. I narrow it down by using the row above it, which is 872. Looking at this row, I check the mirrors. The mirror of 8 is 3, the mirror of 7 is 2, and the mirror of 2 is 7. So, I focus on this area for my potential plays. Looking at this section, here are the key plays. 878, located right next to the mirrors and day sum. 804, same area. 840, same area. 836, same area. 863, same area. That's how I find my numbers. If you want to figure out today's numbers, just enter the daytime draw from the previous day and look for the patterns. In this case, if today is February 4th, you would enter the February 3rd daytime draw. We already saw that 804 and 836 came out, confirming the accuracy of this method. Different generators work better for different states. Since 941 has an odd number, I choose a generator with odd numbers to run the workout. This 317 method seems to be working well for North Carolina. Try it out using different generators, there are many available. Pay attention to your mirrors and flips to refine your picks. The bottom of the generator output also suggests plays, so check if your numbers show up there too. Let me know in the comments if you hit using this method. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with others who play. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future breakdowns. Good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.